always, shining the shade. If you want to see how I got this look, continue watching this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. So all of the products I use are in the description box. Also, make sure y'all drop all your questions in the comment section. And if y'all don't mind doing me a big favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So the white that you see on my face is Milk of Magnesia. Yes, that is a liquid laxative, but it is also a good primer for those of us who have oily skin. It's not going to dry you out, but throughout the day, my T-zone gets really oily and it shines through my makeup and I don't like it. So if you have oily skin, just try using this as a primer instead. To clean up my brows, I'm using the matte concealer palette with the Morphe M432 brush. Taking the Morphe M173 brush, I'm going to use this to buff and blend out my concealer. So to color correct, I'm going in with that same brush using the same palette in the shade Burnt Orange. To apply my foundation, I'm going to buff it out with the MAC 161S brush. So using that same Morphe brush, I'm going to prep and prime my eyes for eyeshadow with the MAC Pro Longwear Paintpot and Layin Low. Using the only green shade in the Jaclyn by Morphe palette, I'm going to build and pack that green color onto my lid and buff it out a little bit for a really smoky look. Now I'm going to warm up my crease using Morocco from Makeup Geek. This is one of my favorite transition colors. To deepen my crease, I'm going to smoke it out using a darker shade from that same Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm going to mix the shades Bluffin and Bare to Wear from Colorpop Cosmetics using the Nude Mood palette just to set that concealer under my brows. Using that same Colourpop palette, I'm going to use Wink Wink and put on Heirs in my inner corner. Okay, I'm so sorry, y'all, but I forgot to resume recording and I did not record me blending out my highlight. So I'm just gonna start from right here, blending out my cream contour and my cream blush. So to intensify my highlight a little, I'm just going to go in with an even lighter concealer on top of the concealer I already applied. I'm going to set my highlight using the Ben Nye Luxury Setting Powder in Banana. I'm just going to take my Sephora Beauty Blender and press this into my skin. Now I'm going to apply these gorgeous lashes from Minx and Naya off camera. Using that same green shade, I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line. Using this big, clean, fluffy brush from Carity Beauty Cosmetics, I'm going to dust away all of that excess powder. Now with the skin tone powder, I'm going to add some warmth back into my face. I'm using the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in dark. This step is key to blending out that color contrast between your contour and your highlight. So to really warm up my face and add dimension, I'm going to use this bronzer from Becca Cosmetics. I'm not really going to contour because it's a daytime look. If it was nighttime or a special occasion, I would most definitely go in and really chisel out my face. But this bronzer is giving all it's supposed to give. I'm going to do a light contour on my nose. Nothing too crazy. Again, this is a daytime look. So for a subtle highlight, I'm going to start off with the Becca Cosmetics Blurring Powder. This is beautiful. keep blending. Just keep blending. So to intensify my highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Those two shades, Summer and Moonstone. Summer is my favorite. For the lips, I'm using MAC lip liner and Nutmeg. If you're a brown girl, this lip liner is a must-have. So to finish off this look, I'm going to end with a matte lip. Using this velvet lipstick from Juvia's Place, and this shade is called Chick. So that'll conclude this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and I will catch y'all in my next one.